All right, it's time for some music. So we start things off with this one titled Man in the Mirror, brought to you by the one, the only Penwood High School.
Gonna make a change for once in my life. I'm gonna feel real good. Gonna make a difference. Gonna make it right. As I turned up the collar on my favorite winter coat, this wind is blowing my mind. I see the kids in the street, they got enough to eat. Who am I to be blind, pretending not to see their needs? A summer's disregard, a broken bottle top, and a one-man soul. They follow each other on the wind, you know, 'cause they got nowhere to go.
That's why I want you to know I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his ways, and no message could have been any clearer. If you want to make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and make that change. I'm starting with the man in the mirror. Oh yeah, I'm asking him to change his ways, and no message could have been any clearer. If you want to make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and make the change. Like get it right, running back the time so you can close.
Don't close your mind.
I'm starting with the man in the mirror. Oh yeah, I'm asking him to change his ways, and no message could have been any clearer. If you want to make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and make that change. Na 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 na. Oh yeah,
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
na 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 na.
Yes, Penwood, welcome to All Together Sing with Big Tune. Well, this was a brave attempt, Man in the Mirror. The only problem is that you oversimplified the song in that you didn't have all that fancy harmony in Man in the Mirror. There are some chords that are 4-note, 5-note chords, and we were having people sing in unison. So the harmony was less than in the song. And also when you sang the duet with him, it was not so accurate.
Penwood, your sound is quite clean and interesting, but I wish you had added some harmony on Change His Ways. I kept hearing like a stuck second two-part harmony up there. Pronunciation issues. Some people were, and then some people were, so it wasn't in sync.
I like the sound, but again, just like everybody else, I miss the harmonies, right? So hopefully, you pay more attention to that and get all the details in next time, all right?
Give Penwood a chance to make a difference by calling or texting 444-8801.